In modern dating, the gap between what people hope for and what actually happens fuels anxiety, and a quick fix is to reframe expectations before messages flow. The analysis shows that two aligned plans act as an anchor, reducing fear of ghosting and boosting perceived commitment. Rather than chasing perfection, the script highlights honest updates that invite feedback and keep the dialogue flowing. Viewers learn to express probability, not promise, turning dates into collaborative experiments in compatibility rather than auditions. By spotting early signals of agreement and adjusting pace, relationships move with steady momentum instead of dramatic swings.